Good morning. I'm heading to the bus stop. Today we have the boat trip. I am literally freezing. It looks a nice weather, but it's not. I mean it is, but it's cold. So we hope it's gonna be warmer then. Now I'm taking the bus to school, and then 7:45 we go to Chicago. Oh my god, the bus is there. I always run late. We made it to Chicago. Come on.
Are you? Oh my god. What are you doing?
And Ari, do you want to come?
No.
That looks so...
Okay, you're not even in the video.
Wait.
Yeah, that's true.
No, wait. Okay,
No,
go.
you're too tall.
I know.
Oh my god.
Well, we have
I'm
45
in it.
minutes
Wait.
free, so in 45 minutes we'll be on the boat. Yeah.
It's a nice boat.
Yeah, it is. Hi, Steph. Okay, so the lights is not that good. But yeah, since we are in USA, we went to do it.
And then now we had to have an Italian
I mean, I want...
Yeah,
Oh
he was
yeah,
just-
I was having like an... It wasn't even an Italian conversation.
No, you were speaking
it was
some
a
other
random language
Yeah, and
conversation.
I was saying an actual language.
Yeah, she
And
was.
you tried to be angry
But-
and you just smiled.
Yeah, you're like,
Yeah.
he was like,
Yeah.
and then I was like, 什么情感？发放哭了。
No, you're not even in the frame. You're so tall.
Yeah, but I mean...
Do you beep
can
Italian swear words?
Well, it depends on the situation. I mean, I don't want to be angry now, so... I can't wait to get on a boat to take pictures, because you know, like, I want to get pictures, I want to get... Yeah, my hair looks messy every time. Even if I cut it, it looks messy. But yeah, in the picture it looks good, so that's important. So we're heading to the boat, and it's cold. I mean, it's not that cold. I thought it was like worse,
Only
but
because you're Italian.
yeah, that's it. Yeah.
And you're not wearing a dress, so.
Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. I can't wait to take pictures of the boat. I know. Oh my god. Got on a boat. Okay, I don't want to.
It's recording? Oh, this
Yeah, it is.
I didn't realize.
It's cool. It's
my
cool.
God.
Now we're gonna eat, and then I have to take many pictures.
Okay.
I always take pictures. Though.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I am so excited.
I know, but $65 for this.
This is so amazing. I'm in love with the shape of you. Why doesn't it say it?
It's a remix model.
Yeah. I am literally getting crazy. It's awesome. It's awesome.
Are you taking a video? Are you taking a picture?
No, I'm taking a video. Okay, I just take a picture in a video, but
Okay.
yeah, okay. It's great. It's so
I
great.
can't see anything.
I can't.
Wait, can't see. Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh my god. I'm just gonna vlog the whole time here. It's so great.
It's freaking.
We are there because it's windy and it's cold, but it's kind of a dance floor, right? It's kind of a dance floor.
Not really. I guess.
Mary, I should have gone to the water. Where is your thing? Guys, can we do like a sleepover here?
Okay.
Should be cool.
Yeah, sure.
But it's kind of cold, but we can figure it out.
Cold, yeah.
It's so great.
Oh my god.
OMG, this is so great. No, we're going home now. It's not night, it's just because we are in the parking lot. Yeah, it's not night. It's still, what time is it? It's like 2 p.m.?
Yeah,
It's 2 p.m. Yeah. I have a tiny time on my phone. No, I'm kidding. It was just like, it was such a great day. I had so much fun.
That was bottle. We had like.
Yeah, no.
People taking pictures of us.
Guys, I'm so famous. No, really, like it was a great day. I loved it. I can't wait for next Friday. It's fun. Yeah, and we're gonna do a challenge. Who's the craziest dancer?
And I will
Between the
dance
two of
better than
us.
him, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's our
But oh my god, my tie is so bad. Anyway, I'm gonna win on the Spanish one.
No.
No, I'm gonna win on the Spanish one. You're gonna win on the house ones?
On all the other ones?
I'll probably like, yeah.
Okay.
I will give it to you.
Yeah.
I'll give it to you.
No, I'm
I'll
just
give
better
it
than you.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So, oh, see, like 3 minutes and 11. I always run out of memory. Always. Also, I don't know why. Yeah. So, see you later.